So hello, this is the Kase Wide Angle Lens review for the Osmo Pocket. We're gonna go on the beach and test it out, compare it to a other action cam to see how much wide angle we can actually get from this. And on the way we will pick up the fastest item I've ever reviewed for YouTube. Basically I found it yesterday and it's already arrived today after having ordered it just yesterday. This is a side-by-side of the Osmo Pocket with the Kase Wide Angle Lens and the Git Up Git 2. I hope I'm not getting my fingers in the frame. It gives you an idea of the angle of view you're getting from the Kase lens compared to your typical action cam. Now the Git Up is in 1080p, but it's stabilized, so I'm leaving it there and not setting it any higher. So here we are, there it is. $4.50 delivered in 24 hours. Well, from next door. It was from Shenzhen. That's like 1 hour per boat. That's like way too well packaged for a cheap little thing like that. Yep, and there it is. Now I didn't show you the full box. I think that's not fair. The box is so nice. Before it goes to the garbage, there's even a PGY sticker inside. Okay, and off we go to the beach, and this is still the wide angle lens, now holding it at arm's length. What can you see from the environment? Is that like better than just the full head-on headshot? This is where the PGYTech connector that I picked up on the parcel shop comes in handy. It basically lets you connect to a GoPro mount in a very compact package and leaves the USB-C on the bottom free for external audio, for example. And this is also where we're going to see the first problem with the Kase wide angle lens. Basically it's too thick, so when the gimbal tries to initialize it gets stuck. You have to take off the lens, click the screen, then it will finish initializing, and then you have to put it back on. That brings us to the second problem with the Kase wide angle lens. The lens is very heavy and the weight is a little bit eccentered, so the Osmo Pocket gave me trouble twice and went into wobble mode yesterday. Now the battery was quite low, so maybe that's a power issue. However, it's good to know that that can happen. You won't be surprised though by it, because even if you're only using the small screen, basically the whole gimbal starts vibrating in your hand and you certainly know that something's wrong. And I'm happy to report that for today's video, it didn't happen at all, even though I used most of the battery today. And now a final little update on the bug I encountered yesterday with the firmware and the Osmo Pocket resetting while I was testing the audio connector with several microphones. And go watch that video if you haven't seen it yet. Link at the end of this video. During today's shoot, I didn't encounter the problem once. The Osmo Pocket functioned 100% and never reset itself. Perfect day at the beach, hot temperatures, clear skies, no wind. So is this lens wide enough? It's actually sitting about 1.5 feet away from me on a makeshift tripod. Actually, I should film that for you. So here's that setup. Oh, now I'm being tracked. Okay. Okay, so I'm shooting this in FPV mode. My selfie stick is extended to about 1 meter, a little bit more. So it's like at 2.50 meters height right now. And the question is, can you still hear me with the microphone? Is that still working? Or this is about 1 meter away from me, so you get the width of the wide angle lens. And now the same thing without the wide angle lens. So is this the ultimate vlogging solution? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I think it's pretty awesome actually. I don't know how the sound sounds yet, but what I can see on the little screen looks pretty good so far. This is the wind muffin frame. Now I've reduced the selfie stick to the minimum length, so we're talking about, this could be an extended arm basically, comfortably held, not wild extension. So do I look slimmer with the wide angle lens? My wife told me my belly got bigger, so I thought I'd buy a wide angle lens and look slimmer on it. Do I look slimmer on it? I think I look slimmer with this, right? Now if we try this without the lens at the same distance, you get this. Yeah, so it's basically all head. You get more head. So which one is better? Let me know. Yeah, so this is Zhuhai Beach. Well, this is Jida Beach actually. It's entirely natural except for the millions of trucks of sand. And they're currently extending it to make the pedestrian zone around the beach even bigger. The wind is really strong now actually. I'd be surprised if the wind can take this. Show you a little bit of the background. I wanted to show you the Zhuhai Jida skyline, but I think this lens is actually too wide for that. I'm not sure. So how are you liking Zhuhai Beach so far? Is that how you pictured China at all? So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Don't hesitate to subscribe, of course, and like this video. And I'll see you in the next one, which might be the selfie stick, or it might be something else, I'm not sure yet. Thanks for watching, bye bye.